Hey guys! In today's video, we'll be looking at 5 best tennis rackets. That will totally amaze you. Don't skip it, watch all the way to the end. So let's get started. Number 5. HIRALY 2-Pack Tennis Racket Set. Looking for an affordable tennis set to start playing? Meet the HIRALY Tennis Rackets 2-Pack, a lightweight beginner-friendly set that includes everything you need to hit the court. Priced at just $41.99, you get 2 27-inch aluminum rackets, 3 tennis balls, a convenient carry bag, and vibration dampeners, making it an excellent value for beginners, couples, and casual players. 2 full-size 27-inch rackets designed for adult beginners. Lightweight aluminum frame weighs only 9.2 ounces for easier swings and better control. Large sweet spot helps improve shot consistency and forgiveness. Comfortable 4 1/8-inch grip fits most adult hands. Vibration dampening design helps reduce impact and improves comfort. Complete starter kit includes 2 rackets, 3 tennis balls, and a carry bag for easy transport and storage. Ideal for men, women, couples, recreational games, and tennis practice. Pros: great value with a complete starter package. Lightweight and comfortable for beginners. Large sweet spot makes learning easier. Easy to carry and store with the included bag. Cons: not designed for advanced or competitive players. Aluminum construction isn't as responsive as premium graphite rackets. Tennis balls included are suitable for casual play but may wear out with frequent use. Final verdict: if you're new to tennis or want an affordable set for casual matches with family or friends, the HIRALY Tennis Rackets 2-Pack delivers impressive value without breaking the bank. Number 4. WOED BATENS Adult 2-Player Tennis Racket Set. Looking for a complete tennis set for practice or casual matches? The WOED BATENS Adult 2-Player Tennis Racket Set offers everything you need to get started on the court. At $54.77, this all-in-one tennis bundle includes 2 27-inch rackets, tennis balls, overgrips, vibration dampeners, racket covers, and a carrying bag, offering solid value for beginners and recreational players. 2 full-size 27-inch tennis rackets suitable for adult players. Graphite frame with an aluminum shaft provides a balance of durability and lightweight performance. Comfortable 4 1/4-inch grip offers better control during play. Includes tennis balls so you can start playing right away. Extra overgrips help maintain a secure, comfortable grip over time. Vibration dampeners reduce racket shock for a more comfortable feel. Protective racket covers and a carry bag make storage and transportation easy. Suitable for beginners, casual players, and recreational practice, with features that can also appeal to improving players. Pros: complete starter kit with plenty of useful accessories. Graphite frame offers better feel than basic aluminum-only rackets. Comfortable grip and vibration dampeners improve playing comfort. Great for couples, friends, and recreational tennis sessions. Cons: more experienced competitive players may prefer higher-end performance rackets. The included tennis balls are best suited for practice and casual games. Product specifications list an unusually low weight, so the actual racket weight may differ. Final verdict: if you want a complete tennis package with quality accessories and good overall value, the WOED BATENS 2-Player Tennis Racket Set is a smart choice for beginners and recreational players. Number 3. Senston 27-inch Tennis Racket Set for Adults. Ready to enjoy tennis with a partner? The Senston 27-inch tennis racket set includes 2 lightweight rackets and essential accessories, making it a great choice for beginners. Priced at $59.99, this complete 2-player set includes 2 rackets, 3 tennis balls, 2 replacement grips, and 2 vibration dampers, offering excellent value for new and casual players. 2 full-size 27-inch tennis rackets designed for adult beginners. Durable aluminum frame paired with a carbon composite shaft for a balance of strength and lightweight handling. Comfortable 4 1/4-inch grip provides better control and stability. Large sweet spot helps beginners make cleaner, more consistent shots. Includes 3 tennis balls, so you're ready to play right away. Comes with 2 replacement grips for improved comfort and longer-lasting performance. 2 vibration dampers reduce impact and make every hit feel smoother. Perfect for practice sessions, recreational matches, couples, and family fun. Pros: complete starter package with useful accessories. Lightweight and easy to swing for beginners. Carbon composite shaft adds durability and better feel. Replacement grips and vibration dampers add extra value. Cons: not intended for advanced or tournament-level players. Aluminum frame offers less precision than premium graphite rackets. Listed product weight may represent the package rather than the individual racket. Final verdict: if you're looking for a well-equipped tennis set for beginners or casual games, the Senston 27-inch tennis racket set offers a great combination of performance, comfort, and value at $59.99. Number 2. LUNNADE Adult 27-inch tennis racket. Looking for an affordable tennis racket that's easy to handle? The LUNNADE 27-inch tennis racket is a lightweight, pre-strung racket designed for beginners and intermediate players. At just $32.99, this racket offers impressive value with a lightweight build, shock-absorbing design, and a ready-to-play setup right out of the box. Full-size 27-inch tennis racket ideal for adult players. Lightweight 285-gram design makes swinging easier and reduces arm fatigue. Aluminum frame with a carbon fiber shaft provides a good balance of durability and responsiveness. Shock-proof construction helps reduce vibration for greater comfort. Pre-strung and ready for immediate use, no setup required. Comfortable 4¼ grip offers better control during rallies. Suitable for beginners and intermediate players practicing, training, or enjoying recreational matches. Pros: budget-friendly price with solid performance. Lightweight and easy to maneuver. Shock-proof design improves comfort during play. Pre-strung and ready to use right away. Cons: sold as a single racket with no balls or carrying bag included. Aluminum frame isn't as high-performing as premium graphite models. Not designed for advanced or competitive tournament play. Final verdict: if you want a lightweight, comfortable, and affordable tennis racket for learning or casual play, the LUNNADE 27-inch tennis racket is an excellent value at just $32.99. Number 1. OPPUM 2-pack adult tennis racket set. Looking for a beginner-friendly tennis set for 2? The OPPUM 2-pack adult tennis rackets deliver comfort, control, and everything you need to start playing. At just $48.99, you get 2 pre-strung 27-inch rackets, tennis balls, and a carry bag, making it a great value for beginners, couples, and recreational players. 2 full-size 27-inch pre-strung tennis rackets ready to use right out of the box. 105-square-inch oversized head provides a larger sweet spot for easier, more forgiving shots. Aluminum and composite frame offers durability while remaining lightweight. Arm-friendly vibration control helps reduce shock and improves playing comfort. Comfortable 4 3/8-inch grip provides a secure hold and better control. Includes tennis balls and a carrying bag for convenient storage and transport. Perfect for beginners, intermediate players, practice sessions, and casual matches. Pros: excellent value with 2 rackets and useful accessories. Oversized head makes it easier to hit consistent shots. Vibration control reduces arm fatigue during longer games. Pre-strung and ready to play immediately. Cons: not designed for advanced or tournament-level competition. Aluminum frame offers less precision than premium graphite rackets. Included balls are best suited for practice and recreational play. If you're interested in the OPPUM 2-pack tennis racket set, check the affiliate link in the description for the latest price and deals. If you found this review helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more honest product reviews.